Hello and welcome to Online Learning Box. Today this is a class. We are illustrate bird illustration. So let's start. In this class we are making some weeding illustration. So this bird, two birds is twittering each other. So this is a nice illustration. So let's start without delay. So I'm see I'm increase the stroke size, this one, and 45-degree angle, copy paste it font. Okay, now see this one and cut. This is okay, nice. So we have get this kind of thing. So this option, drag, but here it's a little bit of problem, but okay, nice. So now this red, okay, this love sign, and see this is okay. Now take it aside. Now we are going to make a bird icon, quick and easy bird icon. So this is like this, okay, and now go to like this. Okay, nice. Now I'm going to cut the area. This is not necessary. Okay, I'm going to cut this area also. So this is the basic structure. Cut it. Okay, okay, now cut this. This is unnecessary. Now this area, like this. Now I'm not satisfied with the result, so what I can do here, just okay, do one thing, just creating an arrow. Okay, now I've got this curve, no fill, and this area, sorry, this hold this area, drag it up. Okay, now fix it. cut this thing, it's not necessary. Okay, here it's a problem, so Control Y, this is outline mode, and here you can see this is okay. Now Control Y, so look at this area. I'm going to smooth. Okay, this is smooth now. Now unlock all of this thing, go object, path, outline strokes. So here it's all of this outline, hitting this area, ungroup, and now change the color. This is the color, and now I'm going to make color okay, nice. Now okay, now put this here and change this like this. Okay, now I've got this part body, and this is now, and here no fill, only stroke, black only. So here increase the stroke size and cap. Okay, nice. Okay, now hit Alt, put it over here. So we have get this things and these things, drag it like this. First of all, group it, and now drag it this like this, drag and ungroup. And now here we have get this kind of thing. Now change the color. This color should be this. Okay, no, I need a white one, white type of. So excuse me. Now it looks better. So everything, go to expand, and now path, outline strokes. Now this is outline strokes, and go to layer panel options, F7, and hit on layer. Okay, and now with holding Alt, click here. This is a duplicate copy. Okay, so here you can see this, the duplicate copy. Click and lock this layer. Now this is absolutely the color one. So what I'm going to do, go here and object, here clipping mask compound path, make compound path, and here you can see this is all of this area is filled. Okay, so now I'm going to take some easy steps. So before this, I'm going to show one thing. copy paste it font. Now with the help of eraser tool, decrease the size of eraser, decrease the size of eraser tool, and now drag from here. So this is the selected part is sorry, and with the help of my pen, sorry, here it is a pen. Okay, now smoothly drag this thing. Okay, this is the area shadow. Okay, now click here and drag a little bit up like this, like this. Okay, now see, this is the shadow area, and now this is the love sign. Okay, now drag it over here, drag like this, and see, increase the size of the stroke. Okay. So from here I'm go here and path, outline strokes. So everything here, it is now object. Okay, okay, now let's see this one cut like this, but I'm not satisfied with the result. So what I'm going to do, just take this and with the help of scissor tool, cut and cut. Drag the, sorry, drag and see, I have get this nice cut. Okay, the stroke cap. So this is, and go to object, path, outline strokes, expand. Okay, now copy paste it font with the help of eraser tool, increase the size of eraser tool. Okay, and now drag like this, like this. So here we have got this is a shadow area. Okay, now this is shadow. Now this illustration is almost done. So copy this thing, copy paste it font. Now transform, reflect, hit OK. Now side by side. So this is our illustrations is done. Okay, now this is not necessary. This is also, you can do group this everything. Okay, now ungroup, group, put it over here, group and group. Now hit Alt, align. See, this is the thing what we am doing here. The center. So this is looks nice. And group, it ungroup. Now group. After grouping, drag it up. So nice, we have get this kind of thing. So if you want to change this color like this color, after that ungroup and hitting here, this color should be like this. Nice, ungroup, and this color should be like this. Okay, so I've got this illustration. So okay, thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.